Come wife with me slowly. Hey, I get lucky. Some of them they never know me. I'm just joking. Hey, hey, yo, yo, yo. Never mind me. What's up, you people? It's everything with Labby, and today I'm gonna be making something foodie. Yeah, I'm gonna make it food, and the kind of food I'm gonna make today is called Moi-moi, which is popularly called beans cake in English. Bean cake, beans cake, whatever you wanna call it. That's how it goes. So, without wasting much of our time, this is my beans. It's been peeled, washed, ready to go, and I've got some onion in it, and some onion and some red bell pepper. Ooh, habanero peppers. Pardon. I've got my Titus fish in the pot now. I'm gonna boil that, and I'm gonna put some boiled eggs in it. So yeah, I'm not gonna do it the traditional way of putting it in the leaf. I'm gonna use the leaf because I know how to wrap the leaf, but yeah, I'm gonna put it in this foil part. I believe everyone knows what this foil part looks like. Yeah, this or the leaf. I was really gonna look for the leaf, but then I didn't find the leaf, so I'll go with this. It's gonna work. And basically, Moi-moi works with the process of steaming. After you have a smooth mixture, you put it on low heat and a little bit of water and let the steam just do its thing. Yeah, that's the principle of Moi-moi. Okay, yeah. Now, final take. Tape rolling, camera action. 1, 2, 3. I've had a lot of practice. I'm tired, man. Okay, so today, guys, with people, everything with Labby, I'm gonna be making Moi-moi. Moi-moi is a soul food which is very popular in Nigeria, most especially the western part of Nigeria. Here, the Yoruba people, everybody loves Moi-moi. Yoruba, Igbos, Hausas, whatever. Straight to the point. Moi-moi basically is made from beans, which has been peeled, which has been blended and steamed on the fire on the heat. So yeah, basically I have my beans, which is ready peeled. It's clean, and I've got some onion in it and some red habanero peppers. And to this I'm going to be adding mackerel fish, which is completely optional. Some people don't even like mackerel fish. And also I got some boiled eggs that I'm going to put in it. Some people don't even put anything, they just boil it. That is what we call sakpa moi-moi. But today I'm not making a sakpa moi-moi. I'm making a very rich moi-moi because I can. Yeah, why not? So guys, without wasting my time, I put my egg in the pot, and yeah, just gonna wait for it to boil. Just 3 eggs, and this is 1 piece of mackerel fish. I put my onions and salt. I don't need too much serene. It's a very lovely fish that gives off a very nice aroma. It has a very nice taste, so I'm not gonna mess around with it too much. I'll just cover this up, let them boil, bring to a boil, and yeah, we'll move from there. So guys, while my fish and my egg are boiling in the cooker, my beans is in the blender, and I'm gonna blend it smoothly. So it's gonna be a smooth blend. Just let it do its thing, and yeah. We're making Moi-moi today, like I said. So I had a small glitch with my blenders. The first one stopped working. I had to bring out the new one. Thanks to ingenuity. Anyways, now we are here. The Moi-moi batter should be running, almost very liquidy. But for akara, it needs to be a thick consistency so that it can mold into your oil. So yeah, I've got my Moi-moi mix ready, and my eggs, they've been sliced, thinly sliced, and my mackerel fish has been pieces in a nice way. So I'm just going to go ahead and portion them into these little foil plates and put them on low heat and let it steam up. Yeah, Mommy doesn't take a lot of stress. You just need to know what you're doing with the right proportion. I'm going to season this obviously with some salt, some Maggi, some this, that, whatever kind of seasoning, spices you like, you can put it in. Okay, so my thing is ready, so I'm just going to cover it up and put it on in the pot and let the steam do its thing. Yeah. And you people, so my meeting stuck with you well. If you like what you see, subscribe, comment, share, tell a friend to tell a friend, and yeah, comment. Mama is steaming up already. This is the second pot, so I was just able to make 4 of these foil paper plates. Yeah, so low heat, really small water. You don't need to. Yeah, we'll come back and check them in about 30-20 minutes time. Yeah. If not for my glitch that I had, little glitch that I had during the processing, I would have been long finished. Yeah, so it happens. 2 blenders and they almost gave up on me today. Nah. I'm just checking the moon now. Which is seemingly a year budget omega to bear. I'm just gonna bring one out, check it, and maybe put a little bit more water in it. Let's see the second pot now. The water is a little bit reduced. I'll bring it out, check it one after the other, and see where we are left. So if your mama is not looking like this, it was on the wrong thing. So mama is ready. The girl ready to be eaten. I love it. I love the outcome. Despite my blenders wanting to give up on me today.